This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. It's cold and rainy. Wow, did it rain. And we had lightning and thunder last night. It's Friday, May 17th. We're coming on to the first anniversary of Charlie's disappearance and death, obviously. He, last day we saw him was Saturday, May 20th, 2023. And in that evening, feeding, he threw his sausage away. He just dropped it and threw it in the grass. I fed him actually here next to the car, and he just threw his sausage into the grass. He didn't hide or anything. And that's very typical. The bird's been poisoned. They have no appetite. But he did grab 2 pieces of cheddar cheese, which I believe he took back to the nest. He himself didn't eat anything. Yeah, for me it was classic poisoning. So, and then that was it. We didn't see him all day Sunday, and we haven't seen him since. And I figure Friday evening is when Georg Schmidt throws the poison on the rooftop. The birds get it early the next morning. Saturday morning, he already ingested the poison, and by Saturday night, he was feeling it. So, I will do a small tribute on the YouTube channel for Charlie. Because he will forever remain in my heart. And I haven't gotten over him being killed. You know, there's laws in Switzerland against poisoning birds because it's a very painful and terrible death. So this is why they outlawed it. In no instance can you poison birds. So I know that Georg Schmidt did it because not only did Charlie disappear, but his little entourage of 5-6 birds that always hung around Charlie. And of course, they all follow each other to the rooftop, and that's what happened. Little Luke is here, but he'll come back. It's amazing how fast the weather changes. Absolutely amazing. Put extra food out here today. It's very, very cold. Here's a little mule gull. Here's a little silver gull, but it's not Seymour. That's Seymour. That's Seymour up on the ramp. Seymour always gives the call. Alright? So, the little mule gull. So pretty. Right, guy? See the color of his legs are like a mocha color, huh? Quite different than the silver gulls. Yeah, that's our Seymour up there. Okay, honeys, let's get moving here. Oh, let's get moving. There we go. That's Seymour. There's Seymour. Get your egg, Seymour. If you can see that band on his leg. Looking at him, it'd be on his left leg. Oh, Seymour. Come on, honey, be nice. There's chicken in there. I don't know if you noticed that Seymour's picked out as much of the chicken as he can find, an egg. He wants the protein, right? Right, Seymour? Yeah. Got our pigeons in there. And then we'll go. Everybody's. That's our Seymours. This day away. See the colors of their web feet? Yellow, right? And their beak. Quite different than the mule gull in every respect. Yeah. Go ahead. Do you know, holding up your middle finger is considered against the law here. It's considered an insult, right? The word stupid is not an insult. Even though I got a 1,000 franc fine for that. Right? Calling the janitor hatefully because he was consistently harassing the birds. And they also did rooftop poisoning, by the way. So he's a bird poisoner, right? Said every 4-letter word in the book, because I didn't have that on video on that particular day. And I called him stupid, and he got that on video. The word stupid in English. That just goes to show you how corrupt it is here in this village of the damned. So, but we're not going to let that spoil our day. We have our little crows here. They're having a good time. I put an extra bag of peanuts out there. I think what I'll do, since the evil ones, most of them are out shopping or not hanging around here because it's too wet, too miserable. Their little sparrows could get something, I don't know. No hawk today. I couldn't believe how fast Seymour went in there and got that chicken. Pulled it right out. There you go, guys. Get in there. Go get some cashews. I'm going to shut down now. This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. Everybody's getting something. Everybody's happy. There's plenty of food out there today. Miserable day. It's supposed to rain all day. Rain like cats and dogs last night. And but we need the rain. So hope you're having a great Friday and start to a good weekend. Stay safe. Love your birds. And fight the good fight. Right? They're worth it. They are worth it. Okay. This is DC Danton. Let's take a last look at our little crows here. This is DC Danton Crow Crusader on this very wet and cold spring day. Over and out.